tōku nei whakaaro, ara te whakaaro o te whānau hapu, mamae. You know, te whakaaro pōrangi, whakaaro kinoa, you know, te kōti taia or the judge. It's really, for us, it is mamae, it's disappointing, engari, it is not surprising. You know, because we're all in this system where we're trying to fight and do what's right by having a peaceful protection on the whenua while still having to fight in court. It is disappointing, but we know ourselves that we're not leaving. We've been here. Our people, I mean, we are the mokopuna of the tupuna taketake ki tēnei whenua. So we are the descendants of the ancestors here. Our responsibility is to this whenua. There's nowhere else for us to go. We are going to ensure that that pipe doesn't come through where it's planned to be destroying te ohu and te pūrere, which are pā sites, which are heritage sites and a wāhi tapu to us.